Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashon Brown. Cygnus Real Estate Finance, REF company, became the 14th security to be listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange since the start of the year today. The company's initial public offer closed on September 10, raising $2.3 billion, which is below its $3.9 billion target. Cygnus Real Estate Finance Company now has 1,153 shareholders across its listed Jamaican and US dollar shares. The company ended its first day of trading up by 0.78%. In the meantime, while speaking at the Cygnus REF listing ceremony, Business Development Manager at the Jamaica Stock Exchange, Andre Gooden, gave an update on the amount of capital raised on the market so far this year.
Last year, we raised $14.6 billion on the market for the main market. In 2021, so far, we're at $27.7 billion Jamaican. On the junior market, last year we raised all of $425 million. So far this year, we're at $4.4 billion. Last year, we raised $9 million in the US equities market, and so far, with 3 months left in the year, we're at $10.1 billion. So things are 10.1 million. So things are happening. Our financial sector and our capital markets are showing resilience.
And the JC index declined by 528 points, while the junior market index gained 4 points. Advancing today were Main Event Entertainment Group, Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, Jetcon Corporation, Siboney Group, and Nutsport Express. While on the losing side, Portland JSX, Productive Business Solutions US dollar shares, Dolphin Cove, Consolidated Bakeries, and Stationery and Office Supplies Limited. The government will open applications tomorrow for integrated resort developments. Now, this would mean investors could establish a casino gaming resort development once granted a license. In Parliament today, Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark says an enterprise team has been established to lead the process and review applications. Now, the team will then make recommendations to the Finance Minister. Applications will be accepted over the next 4 months. Dr. Clark says changes to the Casino Gaming Act in July will guide the new applications.
Changes to the requirements to be designated an integrated resort development include 1,000 hotel rooms, which was reduced from the prior requirement for 2,000 rooms. A further requirement is that 500 of the constructed rooms are to be designed and implemented as luxury rooms. And there is a minimum capital investment for an integrated resort development of $500 million US. In addition, another important change included that all elements of the approved integrated resort development are to be constructed and operational within 3 years of the commencement of the operation of any casino activity on the development, and that failure to comply will result in a penalty.
There is currently no casino gaming resort approved for operation in Jamaica. The Jamaican dollar regained some ground today with the US currency selling for an average $147.66. The Canadian dollar is trading at $118.50. $202.43 is the going rate for the pound, and $176.25 for the euro. And that's the Business Day. I am Vashon Brown. Have a good evening.